Hey guys, this is Vidisha and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, Shubho Bijoya, and generally after 5 to 6 days after Bijoya Dashami, in Bengal we celebrate Lokhi Pujo, which is also known as Kojagori Lokhi Pujo, and the main dish we make on that day is Narkolen Naru. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of Narkolen Naru with some twists because I have added some immunity boosting ingredients to that dish, because pandemic is going on and we all need immunity. So if you enjoy this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what videos you guys want to see next, and come on, let's get started with the recipe. So these are the ingredients we need. 300 grams of coconut which is grated, 100 grams of sugarcane jaggery, 60 grams of granulated sugar, or you can use powdered sugar or crystal sugar, and some long, elaichi and black pepper, and I have made a powder out of it using a mixer grinder. These I am using for the current situation to boost our immunity. So first of all, I am mixing the sugarcane jaggery with this coconut. You can also use a spatula to mix it, but I am using my hands. So now I have mixed the jaggery and the coconut has changed its color due to the jaggery. Now to this I'll be using 70% of the sugar, and the rest 20%, 25% I'll use it while cooking it. I have mixed the sugar, and now to this I'll be adding the powders and mix it very well. So now it's nice and mixed. I'll rest this for around 10 minutes. So right now 10 minutes up, and I'll switch on the induction and heat the pan a little bit. So the pan is heated, and to this I'll be adding the mixture. The only secret ingredient to this recipe is patience. You need to be very patient and cook this in a low to medium heat. After mixing for about 5 minutes, this is the color we have reached, and it will get more darkened due to the caramelization of the sugar. And in this entire process we need to cover it for 4 to 5 minutes, and then again we have to open it and then again cook it. So right now it has been around 15 minutes, and you guys can see the grated coconut has changed its color to a very nice brown sort of a color. To this I'll be adding the rest of the sugar, and this one I am adding right now to get that chewy and crunchy finish to my dessert. I'll mix this and let this cook for around 10 more minutes, and then I'll check that whether the pak is ready or not. While making the pak, if the ingredients gets too dry, then you guys can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to combine the ingredients together, just like this. Now to check that whether the pak is ready or not, take a little bit in the palm of your hands. Be careful while doing this process and try to make a small circle and see that whether it's combining or not. If it's not combining, that means we have to cook it more. See, it's combining, but around 5 to 6 minutes more if we cook it, it will be good to go. So we have to cook it for more 5 to 6 minutes. So now, as you guys can see, a very nice color has come to this. And again, I'll take a spoon and I'll test that whether the pak is ready or not. Again, be very careful while doing this process. Yes. Now as you guys can see, it's totally done. It has nicely combined with all the ingredients and it's totally done. So as you guys can see, the pak is ready and I need to start making the balls while it's still warm. I cannot let the mixture cool down or it will get hardened. So to make the balls, I have greased a platter with some ghee. And same process, I'll take some of the pak in my hands and start making round balls. Just like this.